luar negeri? Coba raise your hand. Okay, let me check. There is Mutiara. You've been abroad, Mutiara. Yeah, and then there is Jason as well. Let me see. Let me talk to you, Jason. Hello, Jason. Hello,
Yes.
Jason. You've been abroad?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, where did you go?
Thailand.
Oh, Thailand. That was nice. Thank you, Jason, for the active participations. Yeah. Before we have someone, tapi kok diturunkan tangannya. So probably not there. Okay, doesn't matter if you've been abroad or if you haven't. Because dulu Kak Jene waktu SMP itu juga belum pernah ke luar negeri. But now I'm here, so probably you guys will have the same future as me. Jadi masih ada kemungkinan ya. Mungkin 20 tahun ke depan, 10 tahun ke depan, tahun depan mungkin, we will see ya. Semangat. I believe we can do this. Okay. Jadi hari ini kita mau ngapain teman-teman? What are we going to do today? Yeah, basically today we're going to discuss a lot of things about the United States of America, to be specific of what am I doing in Arizona State University. So without further ado, mari kita karena kemarin Bu Gartati request if we can do campus tour, makanya ini I have some sort of like campus tour, but I recorded everything in a video. Jadi teman-teman biar lebih jelas lihatnya langsung di handphone boleh, or you can see your screen ya on the LCD. But Bu Gartati, do I have the permission to share the screen? Share the screen. Share. Yes. Okay. Right here. Okay. Okay. You guys tell me if. Oh no. Bentar tadi. Do I have a? Oh yeah. I can share the screen, but I cannot share it. I cannot share my video. Oh yeah. Oh, I can. Guys, if you cannot see my screen, you tell me, okay? Can you see my face on the video? Bu Gartati bisa lihat screen saya? Sebuah video. Yes. Okay. So if I play, if there is no sound, you tell me, yeah? I'm just going to play this video. If there is no sound, you tell me. Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Jene Wistakeni. Do we get the sound? Ada suaranya ya video saya tadi? Okay, let's go. Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Jene Wistakeni. Saya dari Semarang, Indonesia. Dan saat ini saya berkesempatan untuk mengajar bahasa Indonesia di Arizona State University, tepatnya di Tempe campus. Hari ini saya akan ajak teman-teman untuk bersama-sama berkeliling kampus untuk melihat daerah sekitar dan apa yang sedang dilakukan oleh mahasiswa Arizona State University. Let's go. Nah, oke, sekarang di belakang saya ada West Hall, dan di depan West Hall ada Hayden Law. Hayden Law adalah sebuah space tepat di depan Hayden Library, perpustakaan terbesar di Arizona State University, di mana sebuah space ini ada monumen yang sedang teman-teman lihat di depan itu. Dan karena letaknya di depan Hayden Library, therefore namanya dipanggil Hayden Lawn.
Sekarang kita ada di Durham Hall. Durham Hall adalah bangunan untuk School of International Language and Letters dari Arizona State University, di mana banyak sekali perkuliahan bahasa asing yang diajarkan oleh Silk, yang di mana salah satunya adalah bahasa Indonesia. Saya berpartisipasi di program ini melalui program FLTA, yaitu Foreign Language Teaching Assistant dari Fulbright Aminef Indonesia. Di program ini saya diberikan beberapa kelas bahasa Indonesia, yaitu kelas beginner, kelas intermediate, dan kelas advance. Mahasiswa yang mengikuti program kelas bahasa Indonesia ini adalah mahasiswa Arizona State University yang datang dari berbagai macam background. Saat ini saya sedang berada di Palm Walk, sebuah area di mana orang-orang sering berjalan kaki untuk menikmati hari yang cerah, dan di ujung Palm Walk itu ada ASU Bridge, sebuah monumen jembatan yang sangat terkenal di Arizona State University.
Setelah berjalan-jalan di kampus, saya menyempatkan diri untuk mengunjungi Arizona State University official store untuk melihat-lihat official merchandise apa saja yang kita bisa beli di tempat ini. Ya, jadi itu ya tadi sedikit mengenai campus tour Arizona State University. Oke, yuk sekarang yang bisa jawab pertanyaan Kak Jene, raise hand ya. Mata kuliah apa yang Kak Jene ajarkan di Arizona State University? What kind of subject I teach in Arizona State University? Let's go. Sinara. Sinara, you can unmute and maybe discuss with me. Hello, Sinara. Sinara. Sainara, Sinara. Hello. I cannot hear you, Sinara. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Do you know what subject I'm teaching, Sinara? Sinara. Oh, I cannot hear you. Can you use someone else microphone next to you? Pinjam mikrofonnya. Can somebody else help Sinara to speak?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Yay, that's right, Sinara. or anyone who's helped Sinara. Good. Yes, I'm teaching Bahasa Indonesia, teman-teman ya. Jadi, I am not like super amazing professors seperti yang harus ngajar fisika, harus ngajar matematika. No. Di sini ada nggak teman-teman yang nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia? Nggak ada kan? Nah, everyone can speak bahasa Indonesia ya. So it's the same. My program requires me to teach bahasa Indonesia. Since I am a native speaker, sama kayak teman-teman juga native speaker, jadi teman-teman punya chances yang sama. You will have the same chances for me to go abroad like me, maybe in the next after university. Yeah. So if you are curious about the program, do not hesitate to just reach me out, and then later on, I will tell you about the program. Okay. Good. Thank you for the participations, Sinara. I still wait for another participations. Therefore, I have several PowerPoints presentation for you to enjoy. If you have question in between my presentations, you can always raise your hand, or you can always unmute yourself and then call my name. I have questions. Okay, okay, okay. So before we go to the presentations, let us recall of some experience I have with SMP 2 Blora ya. In 2017, bukan tadi ya, 2017-ish.
2014, 2015.
14 and 15, yes, 2014, 2015. It was amazing achievement from both my organization to reach out to the amazing SMP 2 Blora, and of course with the help of Ibu Gartati, we finally we did a study tour in Thailand, and it is very amazing. I recommend you to, if there is a program, the same program like this, please just join, because that is probably one of the most important activity that can happen in your life to prepare what will happen in university, for example. Oh, what will happen in high school, ya, di SMA. Okay, jadi from that moment on, I have a very close communication with Ibu Gartati. She is my senior, she is my mentor. So you guys are very lucky to have Ibu Gartati right in front of your class. So say thank you to Ibu Gartati after this. She has been through a lot, and she achieved a lot as well. Yeah, she's a very inspiring teacher. Kak Jene juga berkesempatan untuk mengajar. So before I go to the United States of America, I teach in Jakarta Timur, in East Jakarta. I teach English the same way as Ibu Gartati. That's why we have the connections. Okay, so if you are in the future planning to be a professor, do not hesitate to learn more and be active in this kind of forum. Okay, if you have questions, just raise your hand. Now I'm going to share my screen, and I want you to collaborate with me. Okay, I want you to go to a link from your phone, and then after that you will need to answer my question. This one, answer my question based on answer my PowerPoint based on the question. I will have 2 minutes ish, or I can do it 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes with a triggering question. Okay, yuk teman-teman buka sekarang Google Chrome or whatever it is. Terus teman-teman go to curie.live. Terus kemudian masukin pin ini. Ya, bareng-bareng ya. I give you time. Bisa ya di minimize, the Microsoft Team can be minimized ya, Bu Gartati. Anak-anak bisa tinggal minimize itu ya. Nggak apa-apa, yuk. Coba I can still see your face, don't worry. I can still see your voice. I can still hear, later on, hear your voice.
What should the students open, Jane?
Google Chrome or any browsers. Google Chrome, Safari, that's perfect.
And then
any browsers.
And then
And then go to Theory.live. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the chat box. Okay.
Yes, successful.
Or scan this barcode. So we have this. Yeah. Yeah. Click the.
Yang di chat dah, di chat.
Yes. In the chat box. Oh. Now, if you join, you will see on the LCD. Ibu Karti tadi taruh LCD kan? Jadi anak-anak juga bisa lihat di LCD ya. Ini nama-nama kalian. This is your names. You don't have to put your name because I know your names from the Microsoft Teams. Nah, ini nanti teman-teman yang berpartisipasi. You can join or you can just stay back. Nggak harus join semua, but it's okay. Yeah, but if you want to join, I appreciate that so much. We have Cool Pasta. You don't know who are you. I don't know who is Cool Pasta, but you guys sound so cool. There's Cool Pasta. There's Thrilling Android. There's Cool Walt. Happy Cat. Happy Cat. It's so cute. There is Eating Ocean. There's Curious Walk. Kind Pasta. Fast C. Falling Cats, Keeping Smile, High Five Governor, High Five Governor, Amazing Walk, Amazing Pasta, Thrilling Actor, Curious Volcano, Diving Beach, Happy Beach, Brave Android. Okay, yes, you can join, you can skip, kelihatan ya. Nanti kalau ada prompt disuruh menulis atau menggambar, nanti teman-teman boleh menggambar apa saja bebas atau menulis apa saja bebas, tergantung pertanyaannya, based on the question. So you can be fun, you can give a fun answer, you can give a serious answer. It's all up to you. There is no wrong answer, there is no correct answer or wrong answer. Yeah, all answers are correct. Ready? Ready ya? Ready? Okay, kalau ready, we have 27. Oh, that's nice. Kak Jere akan klik play, ya. Terus kemudian kita akan mulai dengan pertanyaan yang tadi. What do you know about the United States of America? Jadi teman-teman silahkan tulis apa yang teman-teman tahu tentang United States of America. Kak Jenny kasih waktu 5 menit cukup ya? Cukup dong. Cukup ya. Boleh 1 kalimat, boleh 2 kalimat. You can also do 3 sentences. It's up to you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready ya? What do you know about American culture? Sorry, what do you know about American culture? What do you know about the United States of America? Okay? Go. Ready? Set. Go. Ya, tulis. Itu pasti di screen-nya teman-teman beda kan? Nah, ayo coba tulis. Jadi sekali saja. Sudah ada 6 jawaban yang masuk. Seven now. Misalnya, taunya cuman apa? Makanannya. Just put the food that you know. Taunya cuman film. Just put the title of the film that you know. The video games, ya. The video games, the social media, the people, the food, whatever. Yeah, the places. Just put it there. Yeah, we have at this moment 10 answers out of 30. Yeah, 10 answers out of 30. We still have 3 minutes. I will wait until 3 minutes. Okay. Let's go. 12. We have 12 answers now. That's amazing. Oh, we have 14 answer right now. That's amazing. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. We are reaching now 50% of the total people in the classroom that submit the answer. You guys are very good actually. But later we will see the answer, okay? Also on the screen there is this picture of the city, yeah. The city is the city in New York. City in New York. It's about culture. It's about city culture. Okay, we have 2 minutes now. 2.5 minutes now, and we have 24 answers. You guys doing great. Hey, awesome. Let me check. We have 30 students, yeah? Yeah, 30 students. Okay, what else do we have here? We have 25. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. 5 more, 5 more. 5 more students, and then I will stop the time regardless, and then I will check the questions. Sorry, the answer. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Time is running. Time is running. Time is running. 2 minutes. You know, I can still see your face, guys. So if you are smiling, I can still see you. You guys seems like you're having fun, eh? Aska, Alia. Yeah, I can see your face, Alia. And also Gabriela. Gabriela? You guys are having fun, eh? Okay, do we have everyone? 26? Come on, where are the 4? Okay, so if the 4 people cannot join this slide, next slide there is another question, so you can join next slide, okay? But I'm just going to stop it here for 1 minute. Let's stop it here, stop. On 3, 2, 1, we stop. I have 27 answer, yay, let's go. Let's read the 27 answers. How do you do this? This is the most relevant answer, okay? This is from you. Oh. Wait. What do you know about American culture? Yay! Let's check about this. Let's check this. Yeah, very big and amazing place. Okay, let's choose yours. Can you see my screen, guys? Ini berdasarkan urutan ya. So this is not, this is nothing. Yeah. So the biggest country with many great universities. Fact check. It's not the biggest country. One of the biggest, yes. The biggest country yet. Very big and amazing place. City is very developed. That's right. That's right. Hamburgers. Yes. Yes, hamburgers. The food is apple pie. True. That's very true. The food is apple pie here. Plenty of apple pie here. Country with Western populations. Very nice. This is smart. America is a free country. Yay, free country. Have USD. Apa itu USD? US dollar. United States dollar as a currency. That's nice. Your English is very good, you know. They have a tradition of walking on the right and the yes. That's right. Yeah. In Indonesia, we walk on the left side of the road. In America, in the United States, we walk on the right. That's right. That's perfect. The food is apple pie. Okay. American culture is a custom of the United States. That's correct. A country, Los Angeles. Hey, let's go. LA. LA. Yeah. Los Angeles. That's right. Have an awesome technology. That's correct. Yeah, that's correct. Usually they use the right lane. Yeah, the lane is another term of sidewalk, yeah, or a road, a lane. That's perfect. Amazing technology. Apple. Not only apple pie, they also have Apple, as in iPhone. Apple. Yeah, that's good. You guys are smart. American culture is a diverse mix of custom and traditions from the. Wow. This is one of the best answer. Yeah, I take this as one of the best answer. Great. Great. Penduduk terbanyak kedua. Kedua? Let me check later ya. Kedua. America is one of the biggest country. That's correct. One of the biggest country. And most populated, that's also correct. And there's a lot of states like New York, blah, 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 and, blah, blah, blah. And Arizona, of course. They have, oh, this is fact. Yeah, this is fact. In America, in the United States of America, I have never seen kabel telepon di atas. Never have I seen that. The wire are buried underground. That's perfect. That's correct. Good. 21. They prefer iPhones than Android. Yeah, most of them, yes. I know the Hollywood ones. The Hollywood one. Oh, the Hollywood sign? Yeah, that was one of the touristic places in the States. That's right. A country, perfect. Yeah. Cultural development of the United States of America. Oh, World War II, huh? The winner of World War II. Someone knows history. Your history score must be perfect. Yeah, the winner or the participants. No. The strongest military. Yeah, the strongest military unit. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. The last one is metropolitan building. Great. Yeah, so from these questions, we know that culture in America is revolving around technologies, revolving around foods, and these places around. Yeah, good. Well done. You guys have done a great job. Ready for the second slide? Yeah. Okay. Check on the LCD. This is the next question. Ready? 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 You can still use the same link, or you can just move back to your Google Chrome and start with this question. Ready? I will give you. Oh, sorry. This time it's 1 minute, okay? Because it's too long. 5 minutes is too long. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay, what apps you use the most on your phone? Apps, aplikasi, boleh game, boleh aplikasi baca, boleh aplikasi belajar, boleh aplikasi menonton, anything. Ya, nanti kajiannya I will tell you if it's from America or not. Okay, I will tell you. If it's from Germany, for example, I will tell you. If it's from China, for example, I will tell you. Okay. Mari kita lihat. Oh, nine answer already. 9 answer already. Wow, that's amazing. But this time we have only 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I will add another 30 seconds. Don't worry. I will add another 30 seconds. So 1 minute. Yeah. I give you 1 more minute. 20 answers. Don't worry. What apps? You can list as many apps as possible, or website that you go a lot. And maybe it's from United States of America. We will see. We will see.
Kerja bagus. Kerja bagus.
You want to say something, Jason? Yes, your microphone is on. I can hear you. Exactly. It's okay, Jason. Jason sudah nulis. Put your thumbs up if you did. Thumbs up. Yeah. Don't worry. Don't say sorry. Okay, we're done with 25. With 25 answer ya. Nah, sekarang kita akan vote di layar teman-teman. Nanti akan ada voting apps apa yang ditulis teman-teman. Nanti dipilih salah satu ya. Mana yang paling banyak teman-teman pakai. Ready? One minute aja ya. 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yuk, itu ada votes. Silahkan diklik, klik. Mana teman-teman yang sering pakai. Apps mana yang teman-teman sering pakai. Nanti akan keluar votesnya. Siapa yang menulis pilihan itu? Teman-teman juga. Jadi this is your friend's answer. So do not hesitate to just click random text. 40, 50. Whoa. I have a lot of votes. Let's check what's the most app that you guys use, okay? Almost 100. You can pick 2. Yes, you can pick 2. You can pick 3. You can pick 4. It's up to you. But time's up. Let's check what apps you use the most. TikTok. TikTok with 12 votes. But yeah, the other says, okay, let's check them one by one. The first one is TikTok. Yay. So everyone has TikTok, I guess. And then the second one, we have Instagram. And then on the third one, we have groups of apps. We have WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Webtoon. I don't think Webtoon is from America. Let me check. Webtoon company. Webtoon is South Korea, by the way. And Anime Indo sounds like Indonesia. You watch anime? Who doesn't watch anime, right? Luffy Gear 5. Yeah. Okay, let's check. Anime Indo, I don't know. Where that's from. And then YouTube. Finally, someone mentioned YouTube. Yes, YouTube is from America. TikTok is not from America, I guess, from China. Let's check. It's Chinese company, but it's in Los Angeles. The headquarters is in Los Angeles. TikTok is in Los Angeles, but WhatsApp's definitely from America. Instagram is definitely from America. Spotify. Let's check. Where Spotify from? Spotify from Sweden. It's from Sweden, yeah. But it has headquarters also is in America. WhatsApp and Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Roblox. Someone playing Roblox here. The application that I often use is Instagram. Teams. This must be Ibu Gartati. Minecraft. Do you buy Minecraft? TikTok, Mobile Legend. Okay. PUBG Mobile. What is this? Minecraft, Free Fire. That's a video game, but that's okay. I often use TikTok application. Twitter, now it's X. It's just X now. There is this Chinese letters and alphabets. I don't know. You guys tell me, okay? Okay, so most of the students are using TikTok a lot, and most of the students using Instagram, Webtoon, and all these applications. So I just want to say, guys, that you have to be careful on your social media right now, okay? We've done a lot we teachers, we've done a lot to migrate from books to social media or to a cell phone, just so that we get your attention. Ya, jadi kadang beberapa guru itu mencoba buat migrate dari buku ke on your phone, on your laptop, because somehow it's more interactive. Just like this, for example, teman-teman seru kan kalau ada kegiatan kayak gini. Jadi jangan dikira kalau aduh seminar online malas gitu. You don't have you should motivate yourself that somehow kegiatan seperti ini bisa dilaksanakan kok gitu. Jadi you don't have to worry. Oke, last slide ready sebelum kita masuk ke question and answer session. Oke. Last slide ya. Siapa di sini yang bisa gambar? Coba. Put your thumbs up in front of camera. In front of your phone camera. Do a thumbs up like this. Oh, you raise your hand. Perfect. Yang pinter gambar siapa yang pinter gambar? Zaina, ada Kanaya, ada Matthew, Sayonara as well, ada Nesha. Okay, let's check ya. Even though I don't know you, I don't know your name in Currypod. Nanti kita coba lihat ya. Ready for the next slide? Let's go. Nah, setelah kita ngobrol-ngobrol tentang Amerika, setelah kita ngobrol-ngobrol tentang technology in America, the social media, the people, the food, okay? Read this with me. Draw anything that pops up on your mind if I say America or if I say United States of America. Draw anything. Jadi gambar apapun yang terlintas di benak teman-teman ketika Kak Jene bilang Amerika or when I say America atau United States of America. Oke? Ready? 5 menit cukup lah ya. Gambarnya pakai jari. If you have a pen, then you can use your pen. What do you call this? Gesture pen. But you can use your finger, okay? Ready? I give you 5 minutes this time. Not 5 minutes. I give you 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Okay, start drawing. You can start drawing. Slowly. You don't have to push yourself. You can just start drawing. Uh, 23 people has already drawn. That's good. Anything ya, anything di benak teman-teman ya setelah kita ngobrol-ngobrol tadi. You tell me about the social media, of course. You tell me about Roblox. You tell me about the video games. You tell me about anime, which is Japan culture somehow. Or maybe Comic Cons, right? Comic Con is in the United States. Maybe you told me about the food. You told me about apple. You told me about apple pie. You told me about hamburgers. You told me about what else? Yeah, but you told me about a lot of things. You can also draw that thing on your phone right now. Okay. Oh yeah. We have 26 pictures now. I'm going to display this. By the way, Ibu Gartati, record this, yeah? So we can watch your drawing anytime in the future. Okay. Let's see who's good at drawing. 15 seconds left. It's almost everyone, don't worry. If you cannot draw, it's fine. There's no shame. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 27 drawings. Oh, there is voting. Voting. Well, we can skip the voting. Yeah, skip voting. Okay, let's check the picture. oh, someone attached. I'm going to take a picture of this. I'm going to record this. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is the picture, the drawings of everyone in SMP 2 Blora. When I asked them, when I told them about the United States of America, they do burgers, they do the flag. It's all beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's talk about this one by one. Hamburgers, Big Mac, Krabby Patty. Whose drawing is this? Whose drawing is this? Raise your hand. Who draw hamburger? Raise your hand. Or write in the chat box your friend who draw hamburgers. Okay, we have Sinara. Sinara. Laura. Laura draw hamburgers. Good. Okay, let's check what's next. Also hamburger. Hop, salute. The Star Spangled Banner as the name of the flag. Yeah, the flag. Yay. Oh, whose drawing is this? Whose drawing is this? Kendra, is this yours? No? No? Yes or no? No? Whose drawing is this? Naisha, is this yours? Whose drawing is this? Laura. Laura, a home?
No. Kepencet.
Kepencet. Okay, who then? Rumah. Who is this? Okay, anyway, yeah. The flag. Oh, this is a good drawing. We have colors, yeah. Nice. The flag, waving flag. That's nice. Yeah. Plus one if you draw this. Yeah, that's correct. Who draw this? Who draw that? Laura again. Laura draws everything. Mutiara. Hello, Mutiara. You've done well drawing the flag. Great. Next we have what? What is this? Can someone explain this? Who did this? Raise your hand, please. Is this America? This is not so America. I don't know. Who is this? It's okay. Do you want to explain what is this? Ini apa ya? Kak Jenny nggak tahu ini. Ini I assume a tree, right? A tree. Ini pohon ya. Oh, it's a building. Yeah, it's a building and a tree. Nice. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Good job. I'll take it. Ah, ini apa? Tahu. Ini apa teman-teman? I don't know what it is. This doesn't look like a burger. Can someone help me? What is this? Tulis di chat box dong. Let's guess what is this. Ayo. Tulis di chat box. Di chat box di Teams. Coba. Ada nggak? Chat box. Oh, excuse me, Bugatati. What time we should finish? I'm afraid I'm just blabbering.
If you don't mind till 10:45 is okay, but if you have class, you can end earlier.
10:45. Okay, I will have half an hour, so 9:30, I think. Oh, sorry.
Okay, 9:30.
10:45 is
10:30.
okay.
10:45 or 10:30?
I think I try to finish around 10. Yeah, around 10
Okay.
or around 10. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Since we have a lot of time, maybe we. Oh, the chat box. I think it's marshmallow. You think it's marshmallow, or or you are the one who draw marshmallow, Gabriela? It's you. Okay. It's a meatball bowl. There is no meatball inside it. There is no meatball. I think it's marshmallow. Yeah, it's marshmallow. I'll take marshmallow. Next. Oh, you guys so mean. The war. What is this? Who draw this? Gun. Yes. But this is just for fun. Yeah. Bercanda. Is this you, Mutiara? Bercanda. Bercanda. Who draw this? Yeah, it is true. It is true. You are if you write this, if you draw this, you have a wide spectrum of knowledge. I respect that. Bahwa di Amerika itu gun culture-nya itu ada gitu ya. The government allow people to own a gun with license. Jadi teman-teman tahu ada SIM kan kalau di Indonesia, surat izin mengemudi. Kalau ini SIM, surat izin memiliki senjata, senjata api. Yeah, those kind of ibaratnya, you know. So ada surat izinnya. Someone raised the hand. Arshad, you just draw that, Arshad? Where is Arshad? Yeah, bro. You draw this? Don't smile. Good. If you read a lot about America, then you must know a lot about what happened in America, the culture, and of course, one of them is the ownership of a weapon. That's good. Keep reading, bro. Keep reading. Okay, next. A stick man and a happy face. I think you just love to draw. That's not related to America. It's not related to America, but you just draw. That's okay, yeah? That's very okay. What is this? It's this smiley face. Why don't you put the smiley face on the face? On the head. Oh, this is nice. I can't draw. If you use can't, you cannot use ing form, you cannot use gerund form. So I cannot draw very well. You don't have to apologize. It's Liberty Statue. You have this notes. It explains everything. I thought this is a cucumber. Who draw this? Raise your hand, please. I want to appreciate your amazing drawing, Mr. or Miss Picasso. Who draw this? Raise your hand, please. Alia, woohoo! Alia, you draw this? That's amazing. Yeah, good. Statue of Liberty. Yeah. Okay, siapa yang bisa jawab? Which one is bigger? Statue of Liberty or Garuda Wisnu Kencana in Bali? Which one is bigger?
Garuda Wisnu Kencana, Kak.
Garuda Wisnu? Yeah, that's right. Garuda Wisnu Kencana is bigger. GWK 2. Yeah, so yeah, it's not actually, it's not that big, a Statue of Liberty, but it was just popular, and their starting point is way above the ground. Jadi Statue of Liberty is not a statue, but there is a building, and on top of that building there's the Statue of Liberty. Yeah, same way. Garuda Wisnu Kencana is way bigger. Yeah, on sideways or up sideways. Good. Next, what do we have here? Halloween. Perfect. Perfect. Yay, perfect. Who did this? Who did this? Ashifa, you did this? Who drew this? Raise your hand. Aska Amalia. Well done, girl. How do you know Halloween? Aska. I should ask the same thing to Arshad as well. How do you know gun control? Aska, hello. Can you speak? Or maybe next time. Oh, there you go. Or Asifa, you want to help your friend. Or Aska, just use Asifa's microphone if you cannot. Well, okay. Let me tell you about Halloween. Oh, does anybody know when Halloween is celebrated in America? Kapan Halloween diselenggarakan? Coba. Bulan apa? What month?
Ya, 28 Oktober, Kak.
Yes. 28th of October. That's precise. That's actually the whole October. Yeah. Trick or treat. You want to write trick or treat, yeah? Instead of trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Yes, October, ya. October. Jadi sebenarnya hari ini start from 2 weeks ago, orang-orang sudah, everybody is going on the street and they are dressing, ya. Jadi Halloween itu is not a spooky season. Sometimes it's spooky season, but more like a costume party. Jadi nggak harus kostumnya yang serem-serem, tapi can also be a cosplay, ya kan? Who has been to a who has done a cosplay before? Anyone? No? Who's done a cosplay before? Maybe some of you, yeah. Some of you maybe not. Okay. So yes, betul sekali. It was done. It was celebrated in October. So this month, yeah, 28, 29, 30, 31st. That's when you do the Halloween. Okay. No, you don't have to say sorry. But let me tell you how they do trick or treat. So normally, if you were the kid, you dress and then you knock on the door and you say trick or treat. If they give you treat itu jajan ya teman-teman. Jadi it can be chocolate, it can be anything. So if they give you a treat, jajan, they give you chocolate, then you don't have to pull a trick on them. So if they don't give you the treat, you can pull trick on them or pull pranks on them. Biasanya itu mereka melempar tisu ke atap gentengnya orang-orang. So that's the trick. If you don't want to get tricked, you give the treat. So trick or treat, you choose. Yeah, the owner of the house choose. Also, if you see alias atau gambarnya siapa tadi? Gambar ini. What is actually this face? This face is a ghost carved on a pumpkin. Yeah, on a pumpkin. Yeah, jadi ada carving pumpkin. Maybe it's not very popular in Indonesia, but pasti mereka carving pumpkin seperti muka hantu. Those kind of things. Okay, that's good. That's one. Great. Okay, we have. You just download you're not drawing, bro. Who did this? You just download the picture and then put it in there. Matthew. Actually, good job, Matthew. That's thinking out of the box. Yeah, if you cannot draw, download. Matthew. Okay. Good job, Matthew. I think you run out of time. Yeah, when you draw this, I think you run out of time. You don't give the blue. The blue is here, but yeah, this is red and white and stuff. Good, nice. This is this must be Arshad and his friend. Who is this? Who is this Arshad? This is your friend Alexander, Jason, Rehan. This is you. Who did this? Boys, come on, boys. Jason, right? I knew it. I knew this is Jason. Arshad, Jason, the boys, let me ask you one question. How do you know this? From where do you know this? Movies? Animes? Come on, it's okay.
Movies.
Did you just say the dark web? No, that's not good example, okay? Do not visit the dark web. Okay, movies. Yes, that's right. Ada the same figure, orang hormat, and then with guns. Yeah, also a lot of video games has this kind of things. But you need to understand bahwa there are two different things. What happened in video games and what happened in real life, okay? So it sometimes can be very scary and sometimes it can be offensive, ya. Jadi nanti kalau ketemu orang-orang Amerika, jangan langsung yang dibahas itunya ya, apa guns gitu, jangan langsung. But you can also discuss first about the hamburgers. You can also talk about McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts. They love their fast food, yeah. They love their fast food. Okay, those kind of things. Don't worry a lot. Yeah, next, burgers. Burgers atau tumpukan bantal ini? Burgers, yeah. I assume this is burger. Good. Burger, and a strike. Very creative. Who is this? One of the boys as well? Arsyad CS, Jason CS. It's you, Alexander? No? Yes or no? No. Okay. There is iPhone. Okay. iPhone. Who is this? Who is this? Aku. I don't know you. Ashifa. Ashifa Fauzia. Do you like Apple product, Ashifa? Let's talk.
Yes, I like.
Yes, you like. Okay. Why? Why do you like Apple product, Ashifa? Because apa? Your friend, someone please help Ashifa. Yang lain boleh bantu Ashifa bisikin kayak. Because kenapa Ashifa suka Apple products?
Because it's so.
Because it's so. It's so what? Because it's amazing. Because it's so expensive. You want to spend something, ya? Karena mahal. Kah? Kanza, just show the camera. Is that iPhone, Kanza? Kanza, which one? Which Kanza? I don't know. You just show the phone. It's okay. Is that iPhone, Kanza? Which Kanza? I don't know. It's not an iPhone. Your face seems clueless. It is okay. Ini iPhone ya. iPhone berapa ini kalau kameranya 2? iPhone 11? iPhone 12? iPhone 15? I don't know. Kak Jenny juga nggak pakai iPhone. Next. Next one we have Apple. Yeah, this is another Apple iPhone reference, yeah? Good. Oh, the globe. Who drew this? The globe. That's nice. Who drew this?
It's me.
Who? Ashifa or Kanza? Akila. Kanza Akila.
Kanza.
Kanza Akila. Yeah, Kanza. Kanza, why do you draw globe? Kenapa gambar bola dunia? Kenapa Kanza? Oh.
My dream was to go to America, so I drew a picture of the Earth with America written on it.
Nice. Very good, Kanza. Your dream was to go around the world, yeah? Oh, that's amazing. So you draw the word. So you draw the globe. Congratulations. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Keep pursuing your dream, Kanza. Tell me if later on you will be abroad, yeah? Tell me. Well done, Kanza. Well done. And then the eagle. Yes, that's true. Jadi ada yang namanya bald eagle. Jadi it's the symbol of the United States of America. Indonesia, simbolnya apa di Indonesia? What is Indonesian symbol?
Garuda Pancasila.
Yes, burung Garuda. Yeah, the animal is burung Garuda. And then there's burger with colors. This wins. And then this is the last one. I don't know what is this. Oh, an apartment. Yeah, a house, a building. Yeah, big building. That's nice. That's nice. Good job. Hey, that's the end of the presentations. Hey, round of applause for us. Yeah. Wow, that's very nice. All right. I have fun, guys. I have so much fun. So imagine if we meet in person. Imagine if I go there to your school and then we have fun. We play games, a lot of games that we can play together. So yeah, so next time there is a public speaker, there is a person coming to your school, do not hesitate to engage with them. Do not hesitate to ask questions, okay? So now I think, Bu Gartati, we have around 45 minutes left. 35 minutes left, yeah? I think we're going to proceed to the question and answer session, Bu Gartati.
Okay.
Yeah. If anyone has a question, please raise your hand. You can unmute. This time I will not allow you to write in the chat box. I want to talk with you. Yeah. So if you can unmute yourself, and then you can start talking. Let's go. If you have question time. Who wants to have question? Raise your hand, maybe. Raise your hand. So we talk about social media, we talk about phone. Okay, there is Alexander Prabowo. Oh, Pak Presiden. Kok belum ya? Belum jadi presiden kok Pak Presiden sih. Sorry. Salah Kak Jenny, salah. Alexander, let's go. Pak Capres. Pak Menhan.
Can you tell us about American landmarks? Historical
Landmarks. Perfect. Historical landmarks. Okay. Thank you for the question, Alexander. Your English, by the way, is very good. Yeah. By the way, your English is very good. Your spoken English is very good. American landmarks. What's the famous landmark will be the Hollywood sign. You already know the Statue of Liberty. You already know, and not so many landmarks. Do you know Central Park? Do you know New York City, Central Park? So yeah, it's basically a park in the middle of a city, and New York is full of buildings, right? But the government wants to have some sort of like park to maintain the greenness of the city. Yeah, so they have that. They also have Mount Rushmore. If you know Naruto, if you know Naruto, on the mountain they have Hokage face. It's inspired from Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore in United States of America, they have the face of the president, 4 president only, while they have already around 50 president at this moment. Yeah, so they have a lot of president, but they only put 4 face on Mount Rushmore. Yeah, that's one. In America, we have a lot of they have a lot of national park. In Arizona, they have desert. They have desert. They have botanical garden, some sort of like that. So they have a lot of national park reservations. Yeah, reservations, national park. I'm going to show you the picture. Wait a second. Yeah, wait a second. Share screen. I'm going to go to my Instagram page and let's see if I can show you something. Oh yeah, this one. Oh no, not this one. This one. I'm going to show you what. Yeah. I'm going to show you this. Wait, I'm going to share the screen. This is my Instagram account. I don't know how to make this a full screen, but yeah. This is Joshua Tree National Park trip. So let's just watch this. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Nah, stop. Nah, ini teman-teman. Jadi teman-teman bisa lihat ya. Tolong abaikan comment section. Ini temannya Kak Jene bercanda-bercanda di chat comment box. So, kalau teman-teman lihat gunung ini, Arizona is full of desert, teman-teman ya. Desert itu gurun kan. So, ini namanya Joshua Tree National Park. Nah, Joshua Tree itu namanya pohonnya. Ini pohonnya seperti ini, teman-teman. Bentar ya. Nanti akan Kak Jene post di waktu yang tepat. Nah, ini yang di belakang Kak Jene ini kurang terlihat ya. Coba nanti cek yang lain. Nah, ini dia. Nah, ini dia. Ini nih. Ini pohonnya ini. Jadi bentuknya tajam-tajam seperti itu. Kenapa? Nah, this is a good question. Why on the desert we have spiky, pointy trees like this? Ada Joshua tree, ada cactus. Teman-teman kalau tahu cactus itu kan berduri kan. Why? Kenapa banyak spikes? Ternyata di gurun itu kan susah. It's very difficult to get water, right? So the plant, they evolve in a certain way dia mengembangkan dan berevolusi sehingga all those spikes can catch dew. Apa itu dew? Embun. Ya? Nah, jadi di situ fungsinya duri-duri tajam itu, dia akan gampang untuk menangkap dew atau embun itu. Kenapa kok nggak daun, Kak Jenny? Because if it's a daun, if it's a leaves, akan sangat mudah untuk dimakan oleh hewan lain. Nah, jadi duri itu kan susah, nggak mungkin dimakan juga kan. So that's why a lot of vegetations on the desert, they are spiky kayak gitu tadi. Termasuk Joshua tree. Kenapa namanya Joshua tree, Kak Jenny? Why it's called Joshua tree? Because yang menemukan pertama kali adalah Mr. Joshua. Begitu ya. Good question, Alexander Prabowo, Pak Menhan. Next question, please. Ada pertanyaan yang lain? Silahkan raise your hand. Alia, Pinasti Dewi, dan Mutiara. Oke, Alia dulu. Alia dulu.
What faculties or majors are available in Arizona State University?
Good question. Good question, Alia. Thank you, Alia. You can turn off. Yeah. What faculty in Arizona State University? Yes, my university is Arizona State University. What faculty? There are a lot of faculty that is presented in Arizona State University, but most of them are science. Yeah, science like biochemistry, biomedical, bioengineering, engineering, those kind of things. Also, there is language. My department, language. They will this year open a health faculty, health department. They will open it just this year. They also have mass communications and journalism, those kind of things. Computer science, they have computer science. Education, they also have education there. Let me show you the website. Let me show you the website. I will share the screen again. Here is it. Can you see the screen? Alia? Everyone? You can, yeah? Okay, so academics, let's check. College and schools. ASU, okay. Once again, karena Arizona State University, kalau disingkat itu AS dan U, jadi bacanya ASU ya, adik-adik. Tolong jangan dibuat mainan. Ya, ASU. Gitu ya. Jadi ASU College and School itu kita bisa cek di sini apa aja college. Nah, college itu fakultas ya. Dan schools juga, sekolah. Jadi universitas itu konsepnya di Amerika. It consists of a lot of schools together kayak gitu. Jadi gitu ya. Bisnis, nah siapa yang tertarik bisnis bisa. Dan setiap school atau setiap colleagues itu dia punya namanya sendiri. Kalau bisnis namanya W.P. Carey School of Business. Design and Art, ya, Herberger Institute for Design and Arts. Engineering ada engineering, ada Global Future, fakultas masa depan global, ya. Seperti itu. Graduate College ini master degree, S2. Health Solutions, honors juga ada, ini yang non-degree honors. Integrative Science and Arts, jadi seni dan ilmu integratif, integrated science gitu ya. Ilmu terapan. Gitu ya. Interdisciplinary Arts and Science, Journalism yang Kak Jenny bilang tadi, Mass Communication, Law, ya, ada Law juga hukum, Liberal Arts, seni kontemporer, Nursing, ada nursing juga. Public service ada. Teachers College. Thunderbird Global Management. Nah, punya kajiannya di Teachers College. Begitu. Itu fakultasnya ada itu. Terus juga ada athletics dan research. If you want, you can always check this website. I put this website to our chat box. Okay. Pumpkin. Yeah, that's the website. Okay, next question. Next question, please. Siapa itu? Raihan. Let's go, Raihan.
Why did you choose to study in Arizona State University when there are many universities in the world?
Good. Your English is perfect, Raihan. Yeah, good job. Keep it up. Why do I choose Arizona State University? So this program, they have 10 options. Okay. So at first, I was sending all my applications to several universities, but I get only 4 in return. I got Yale University, I got Northern Illinois University, I got Arizona State University, I got some, I forget, but I got 4 university. And one of them is Arizona State University. And then I checked the location. Turns out Arizona's winter is not terrible. So I'm from Semarang. In Semarang we have 4 suns ya. Mataharinya ada 4 di Semarang. Panas banget. So I pick Arizona because it's hot and it's warm during winter. Jadi it's perfect climate for me. Tapi kalau teman-teman suka yang dingin, because Blora is a little bit, di Blora, is it cold or hot in Blora? Who asked the question before? Tadi siapa yang tanya pertanyaannya? Do you think it's hot or cold in Arizona? Raihan. Do you think it's hot in Arizona? Sorry, in Blora. In Blora, is it cold or hot? Do you think?
It is hot.
It's hot. Okay, then you should check Arizona because it's also hot. But it's still hotter in Semarang, where I'm from. So it was, yeah, basically. The other program is like Harvard. There is Harvard, but turns out that Harvard doesn't want me. But the other university wants me. So Arizona State accepted me. And of course, there is competitions, you know. So I pick the best chances to get accepted. And there am I. Here I am, Arizona State University. And also, it is close to California, where they have a lot of Indonesian community. So I can feel like home. I really miss nasi padang right now. So if you have nasi padang at your home, please eat it because you still have it. Right now, I cannot eat rendang. Okay, do we have another question? We have around 15 minutes left. Do we have another question? Alexander again. No, I picked Laura this time because Alexander, you've asked one question, eh? Okay, after Laura, I pick Alexander. Okay, Laura, hello.
What is a things that interesting from Arizona State University?
Very good. Very good, Laura. Your English is amazing. Everyone English is amazing in this class. Wow, the other class must be jealous. What's interesting thing is in Arizona State University, the Mexican community. Oh, everybody has never mentioned about this. There are a lot of Mexican community in Arizona. Why? Because it's bordering. Arizona, it's exactly on the border. Yeah. So if you see on the map, south to America, it's Arizona, and south to Arizona is directly to Mexico. So if you can speak Spanish, oh, you're gonna live very easily in Arizona. So yeah, what I like the most, because they have spicy food and I love spicy food. So I can just go to Mexican restaurant, even though it's not like sambal. Sambal is still the best. Sambal is still best. Satay. What is this satay? Traditional satay from Blora? Ada sate apa ya? Kajiannya lupa.
Chicken.
Sate, forget yeah, chicken. I know it's chicken. But tapi namanya apa? I forget. Also, they have like some sort of satay in Arizona. It's more like, but they call it barbecue. They don't call it satay, because satay is with sambal kacang, with the peanut sauce. Yeah? But the one that I eat that looks like satay, which is not satay, it's more like barbecue, because they put tomatoes, they put paprika, you know, those kind of things. Yeah, so it's weird. It's weird. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's what I like the most about interesting things. That's one. Aside of American culture, aside of Mexican culture, they also have a lot of cultures around, especially around my school, because my school has a lot of languages. They have Japanese, they have Chinese, they have Koreans, they have Russian, they have a lot of languages around Europe. Germany, they have Germans, they have French, they have Spanish, of course. So that's a lot. Okay, anything else? I'll go to Alexander if there is no one. Alexander? Or Gabriela? Okay, whichever one first. Just unmute yourself and start talking. Gabriela?
What learning methods do you usually use, Kak?
Nice. That's a great question, Gabriela. So, what learning method did I use? I've been using a lot of this kind of learning method. It's classic. It's very classic, but I don't know if you know about this. I like to write. So whenever I write on my notes, I always do a second copy of writing, just so that I remember what's on my head. Normally, during lecture, the lecturer in America, the professor in America, just like Ibu Gartati, they love to record lecture. They like to record classes. Yeah. What I do is not, okay, I have the recording, so why do I have to write it? That's the most important thing. To write is to memorize with your muscle and your brain. So even though I have joined the class, I can still access the recording, so I can write what's important things, so I can remember what is important, right? So with writing, you can do multiple times, write whatever important elements that's unique that you can discuss about it. Another method is that I really love talking. Yeah, I really love talking. Talk like this, talk to my classmates, discuss about the material. It's amazing. Yeah. Moreover, in Arizona State University, you can have your pods. Pod is like apa ya? Pod is like space that is closed like that. You can use to sit and do your homework, and it's closed, so no one can disturb you, and it's in the library. So it's called Reading Pod. I will write it down in a comment box, and so you can just Google about it. Reading Pod, Arizona State University. It's on the library. Everyone can use it, but most of the time it's full of people, so you're gonna have to get there early to get inside the Reading Pod and access all of the book in Arizona State University. So do you like reading? Gabriela, do you like speaking? Do you like reading, or do you like Writing, which one?
I like reading novels, but I'm not really into lesson books.
For now, it's a good start. If you like reading, then probably your learning method is at reading, yeah. But you don't like lesson book. That's okay. It will be important one day in your life, and you have to. But just don't make it a burden. But if you like talking, you can start having dialogue with your friends. If you like writing, like I do, you can start writing just to exercise your muscle memory and also your mind. Okay, I hope that answered your question, Gabriela. But actually, that's a good question. Well done. Thank you very much. Other, please. Other. One more question. Yeah, one more question, I think, and then after that, I have to go. Yeah. One more question. Anyone? The boys, the girls. Laura, finally. Okay, I'll take final question from Laura. But if you have question, you can always because I think you use Instagram a lot, I will just put my Instagram account. This is like, it sounds like promotion. But if you want, you can send me a message. Kajene, what happened in Arizona right now? Send me a picture, blah, 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 blah. I will do it. If I'm not busy, I will do it. But I don't have TikTok, okay? If you have question after Laura, you can always send the question, or maybe send the question to Bugartati. Bugartati will send me to my Instagram or my WhatsApp. Okay, but let's go. Laura. Hello, Laura.
Yes, can you hear me?
I cannot hear you. Okay, try again.
Hello.
Yes.
If can we get scholarship for study there? If yes, how we can get it?
Good. Okay, wow, this is such a good question for the last question, yeah? So this is very good. How do we get scholarship? That's a good question. Scholarship is not nasi goreng, yeah? Scholarship is not fried rice. Scholarship is not nasi uduk. Scholarship is not McD. Teman-teman kalau nunggu makanan di McD berapa menit? How long? Maximum 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes, yeah? But scholarship is not instant. Kak Jene, kapan we have to start looking for scholarship? Start from now. Ya, jadi kalau teman-teman sudah ada di forum seperti ini, teman-teman sudah ada di dalam kelas, teman-teman sudah mulai nyicil, mengumpulkan ilmu-ilmu untuk memulai scholarship. Now, where can we get scholarship, Mr. Jene? There are plenty of scholarship, tapi memang kalau scholarshipnya mau dicari di bangku kuliah, itu harus persiapan nilai junior high dan senior high. Nah, ini nilainya harus bagus-bagusan nih. Ya, karena kalau nanti bisa masuk di universitas manapun, apalagi yang favorit, you have a lot of chance to get scholarship. You can ask any lecturer in your university, and then you can start asking scholarship, nanti akan di-guide dari situ. Kalau scholarship for high school itu masih sangat jarang. It was very rare to have scholarship on high school. But I'm going to show you this just in case, okay? Last time I showed this to your parents, hari Kamis lalu, on Thursday, Kak Jene, Ibu Gartati, dan few parents we meet before this forum, so we can discuss about scholarship. Yeah, I will also put the link on the link of the website to our chat box. Jadi chat boxnya jangan langsung buru-buru di close. You can also copy everything from this. Okay. Jadi ISMA ya. Indonesian International Student Mobility Award. This is for student. Tapi studentnya apa? Studentnya mahasiswa S1. Ya. Jadi sebelum lulus, setelah semester 2, you guys are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Kak Jene nggak pakai scholarship ini, tapi habis ini nanti Kak Jene kasih tahu my scholarship. Oke. So ya, jadi ini dari pemerintah, legit. So teman-teman nggak perlu SAS. Ini websitenya nggak SAS. Jadi ini websitenya legit ya. Jadi teman-teman langsung bisa percaya dengan website ini. Ini dari pemerintah, ISMA, Indonesian International Student Mobility Awards. Gitu. How do I get accepted in this scholarship? Like I said before, you're gonna have to prepare from senior high, ya, from senior high. Aplikasinya di sini, host university-nya ada di sini. Nanti bisa dicari. Ini dari berbagai macam negara di seluruh dunia. Ya, jadi banyak. Arizona State University salah satunya, Boston University, UPenn, Yale, Penn State, UC Davis. Ini yang Amerika ya. Nah, hanya ada beberapa di Amerika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dan 6. 7, sorry, ada 7. Oh, ada Michigan State. Oh, ada banyak rupanya. Oh, ya ada banyak. Ya, ada banyak sekali. Texas, Chicago juga ada. Di Asia, di Asia juga ada. Ada ya, di Asia juga ada. Banyak sekali. Korea, who wants to go to Korea? Pasti ada kan cewek-cewek. Malaysia, Singapore, Tokyo, Japan. Someone said anime already. You must want to go to Japan, right? China. This is Asia. This is Australia, New Zealand. They have a lot of prestigious university. Canterbury, for example, ANU, Australian National University, Adelaide, Queensland, Sydney. In Europe, of course, there are also in Europe plenty of university. I don't know where is this from. It seems like it's from Belgium. Yeah, Warsaw, Poland. Moscow, Russia. Yeah, plenty of. Also in UK, Sapienza, Rome, Barcelona, Rome, Italy, Barcelona. You know where Barcelona is. Madrid, plenty of it, a lot of it. UK and Ireland, Liverpool, Glasgow, Sussex, Warwick, York, University of King's College, London. Wow, this is it. Yeah, guys, this is the closest of your age timeline for you to get that scholarship. So, kerja keras dari sekarang, diasah terus bahasa Inggrisnya. Kalian sudah punya modal loh. Teman-teman sudah punya modal bahasa Inggris yang bagus. So you don't have to compete in English. It's already there. You have a good opportunity. If you like to go Korea, just go to Korea. And this is very short, 4 bulan. Cepat banget, habis itu kalian bisa lanjut kuliah. Sorry, lanjutin semester 4 atau semester 3 atau semester 4. Okay, those kind of things. So, yes, I hope apa yang Kak Jene sharing hari ini bisa berguna buat teman-teman dari SMP Negeri 2 Blora. I appreciate you guys coming here with a happy face. I love you guys. Question your drawings ya. Nanti Kak Jene post di Instagram drawingnya masing-masing. Okay, so thank you so much once again to have me here. There will be definitely future collaboration between me and SMP 2 Blora, and I'll be happy to discuss a lot of things with you guys outside of this forum. Okay, do not forget to check again the chat box just in case there is valuable information you can have in the chat box. Okay, saya kembalikan ke Ibu Gartati. Terima kasih, selamat pagi.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Jennifer, and the nice sharing this morning. I guess my students are so excited to know you, and they enjoyed your lecture this morning. And I always encourage them to get scholarship.
Yes.
I would like them to go abroad, higher than us, higher than me. They can be an ambassador, they can be a president, they can be anything that they would like to go. And then what you have already, told them about, please prepare everything from today, because you cannot prepare our scholarship like you just buy fried chicken or meatball, only 15
Yes,
minutes.
that's right.
You need so long time to get the scholarship. So once again, thank you so much for inspiring us. And then if you have any time, and then we can talk again someday later. And then, hello guys, students, you can go to reach Kak Jenny via Instagram, and then you can ask anything there. But please always try to speak in English or write in English. It will help you much. Although you are not sure that your English is good or not, but Kak Jenny said that your English is amazing. Okay, thank you so much.
Your English is amazing. All right. Oke, then.
Anak-anak ada yang mau bilang apa sama Kak Jenny? Silahkan buka suara, mungkin beri terima kasih, ucapan terima kasih kepada Kak Jenny.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you are welcome.
Keep smiling.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys need to vlog, okay? Kita boleh
foto
dulu.
bersama ya. Oke.
Nah, Bu Gartati yang ngambil gambar ya. Nanti dikirim ke saya Bu Gartati. Atau gimana?
Ya.
Oke, kita bareng-bareng ya.
Ayo semua senyum ya. Kak Jenny mungkin boleh stop share dulu ya.
Oh, ya. Oh, saya masih share screen ya, sorry.
Oke. Saya akan ambil gambar. Anak-anak boleh gaya yang segaya-gayanya. 1, 2, 3. Oke, model lain sebentar. Wait a minute.
Kalau di ESU tangannya gini teman-teman.
Oh, nah itu gimana
Jari manisnya ketemu sama ibu jari.
Jari manis ketemu ibu jari.
Ya.
Oh,
terus dihadapkan ke depan.
Terus yang belakang gimana?
No, gini aja. Ditunjukkan aja.
Oh. Jari manis ketemu sama ibu jari. Gini kah?
Jari manis ketemu dengan ibu jari itu telunjuk bukan nanti.
Ibu jari sama jari manis begini. Gini doang.
Iya, betul.
Oke. Coba semuanya pasang
ESU.
posisi yang bagus. Ini cantik nih. Tapi saya nggak bisa gaya karena ambil gambar ya.
Iya, nggak apa-apa Bu, yang lain aja.
1, 2, 3. Itu yang kameranya kebalik, HP-nya kebalik, dibalik dulu. Nah. 1, 2, 3. Oke, thank you so much Kak Jenny.
Thank you. Saya izin pamit dulu teman-teman. Sukses terus buat belajarnya. Enjoy the day. Bye-bye.
Nice meet you.
Bye Kak Jenny.
Ya.